I have a helper in the shed today, a millennial as he calls himself. Wanted him to try out woodwork for the first time. He's pretty keen, guys, he's pretty keen. His name is Andrew. Let's see how he goes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash. Today we've got a special guest, a millennial in the shed. His name is Andrew. Come in, Andrew. I'll introduce you.
How's it going?
No, good day, Andrew. How are you? Good. Good. This is my friend Andrew, and he's going to make a box. Have you done any woodworking before, Andrew?
Yeah, back in primary school.
Back in primary school, so not much. Yeah, you're looking forward to using some of the machines?
Yeah.
We're going to make this box, which has got a pin hinge lid. This one made of pine and jarrah. We're making ours out of maple for the top and blackwood for the sides. Good looking box, isn't it, guys, isn't it? Come out great. Now I'll be doing some of the machining, some of the dangerous machining, but I don't want Andrew to be called Lefty after he leaves here. And Andrew will be doing a lot of the other machining, and he'll be putting the box together. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a box. If Andrew that's got no woodworking experience can make a box, anyone can. So let's get started. Okay, got Andrew to dock the timber roughly to size. He's very tentative on the crosscut saw, but he'll get used to it. That's good. Should be wearing a dust mask. And I'm buzzing the blackwood for him, but that's a bit too dangerous. He's watching intently how I do it. And I'm doing an edge. And now Andrew putting the maple through the thicknesser. There it goes, coming out the other end. Yes, looks good, Andrew, looks good. Taking instructions from me to wind it up a bit more. And getting through it. And ready for the feed out? Okay guys, you see how I buzz the timber for Andrew? But that's a bit dangerous. And then I got Andrew to put him through the thicknesser. So they're all thickness now, down to about 25, 26 mil. Yeah, 26 mil. So, and the same with the top, which is good, about 20, 25, 26 mil. I'll rip them on the saw first, and then we'll put the groove in for the bottom. And then Andrew can dock them and cut the miters. We'll do that, yeah. Screwing the screw in the back with the net down to size now. It's a bit dangerous for Andrew to do. But now he can do the groove for the bottom. The saw blade is totally covered, and he's going to use the push stick at the end. And I'm standing right next to it. Bit tentative, but it's having a go. Pick up the push stick, that's right. Turn the saw off. Take it back a bit, turn it on. And now he's docking them to size before we do the miters. Very good, Andrew. Okay.
What?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Keep going, Andrew, all the way to 45. Keep going, all the way. Then 45?
Yep.
The loft?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Alright.
That's harder than I thought. I thought it was going to slide across easy.
No. Okay, alright. Okay, now I'll do the first one for you. Okay, and just showing him how to cut the miter with the drop saw. He's trying one now too, and I'm looking at him intensely. But he's doing fine,
Inside, up.
Yep.
Touch it at the back.
I've told him how to do this. Very good, Andrew. Okay guys, you see how Andrew's cut the miters, and we've done the grooves, and now we're ready to put it together. We've cut a bottom for it, and Andrew's going to put it all together. How are you enjoying it so far, Andrew?
Yeah, it's good.
Good, you like it?
Nowhere without your help.
Good, yeah, and you're learning a bit, are you?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, learn.
Yeah.
Good, yeah, good. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
It's all about the teacher.
Tell me the teacher. Damn, he suck it up to me. He must want something.
What's the word of the day today?
Oh, the word of the day is Zillennial. That's what it is. Zillennial.
Zillennial?
Zillennial. That's it.
Zillennial.
But Andrew is a Zillennial. He comes from the planet Xenon. Yeah, look at him. He wears his hat backwards and everything. Damn. Mate, we're in for a treat today. Okay, guys, Andrew's to use the masking tape method to put the box together with a box clamp. And we'll be talking as we're doing it. Alright, let's do it. Okay, Andrew, you've seen the masking tape method on the YouTube?
Yep.
And you're confident you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy.
Here we go.
Alright.
Here we go.
Grooves towards me.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. A little more. Then just break it off. There you go, cut it and break it square. Okay, grab a new bit. See? Millennial can't even break a bit of masking tape. Ah.
Oh!
Oh!
That works. That works.
Okay. Everything square? Tight?
Nah,
Yep.
it wasn't.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright.
Better?
Next, yeah, that's fine. Next bit of masking tape. The trick is with the masking tape, just start off slow. Just break it a little bit, just do it slowly. Work it as you go.
There we go.
There you go.
Good teacher.
Good teacher, mate, yeah. Yeah. What do you do for sport, Andrew?
Part-time footy player, part-time golfer.
Part-time footy player, part-time golfer.
Yep.
What's your handicap? And go.
8, I think. at the moment. Yeah.
Ooh, that's a lot better than me. My handicap with golf clubs. Damn. Yeah, my other handicap's your dad. Yeah. Big hand. He's a handicap for everyone, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, old Vincenzo. Yeah.
Skiing.
He's a handicap for everyone. Okay, alright.
There we go.
Before we turn it over, we'll get the glue organised. Okay, Andrew. You can flip it over. Now be careful when you flip it over, because it's very
Delicate.
delicate. Yeah, here's the word. Here's the word of the
Word of the day, delicate.
No, the word of the day is millennial, was it?
Yeah, zillennial.
Yeah. Keep going all the way over. Just let it drop. That's it. Now pull it towards you, make sure it's all kind of straight.
Which way straight to me?
Okay. Check all the grooves, make sure all the grooves are in line. Okay. Now I'll show you, I'll do the first one for you, show you how much glue to put on. Just hold it in your hand. You don't need too much, but you need to cover everything. Right, just like that. Oh. Okay, and you can do the others. Andrew's doing a good job there, gluing up. Okay, going well.
You make it look easy on the videos.
Pardon?
You make it look easy on the videos.
It is easy. Someone that's never done any woodwork, you've done well.
Thanks.
I think, yeah. So what team do you back for in the AFL?
Collingwood.
He back for a team called Collingwood. For all your overseas people, their Australian rule football is big in Melbourne, Australia. And Collingwood is a team that everyone hates. If you're not a Collingwood fan, you hate them.
Yep.
And he backs, but he wants to be different.
Correct.
Yes.
Unique.
I'm unique. I back for the mighty Catters himself. Geelong.
Boo.
Oh, quick! What's next? Come on, do the drawing.
Fold them together.
No. How about putting the bottom in?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Start
Put
where?
it in that one there.
In this one?
Okay. Now start folding everything up. And you see how that was a bit tight? So
yep.
That's good. So when you fold stuff up now, it will stay. So fold that one up there. Push it into the groove. Hold the ply when you do it. push it in, that's it. Fold that one up.
Everything up?
Yeah, fold everything up. Keep going, just like a piano accordion. Get in the groove. Whoa, see, no, put it in there, put it in. You didn't roll it, you lifted it.
Damn.
Okay, no big deal. It'll come up. Okay, now grab your tape. You've got to put another bit of tape on that. You bring forward a bit.
Stuffed up again.
Yeah, there's more coming. Okay, alright, that'll do for a minute. Okay. Alright, now put it down. Okay, grab a box wrap. Okay. Okay, now take the flake up in the thing. That's it. Perfect, good. And then push it over. Okay, do it up just a little bit there.
Do it up more.
Yeah, gotta be tight. Okay, alright, okay, that'll do. Okay. Grab one of the squares over there on that board. Good. So, but we still have to check. Square?
Yep.
Cool. Okay guys, it's a new day. Time to unpack the box. Unpack the box, Andrew.
You do that side, I do this side.
Yeah, okay.
That works.
Yeah.
Efficiency.
Take the tape off.
Alright.
Have a look at the drawings. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, we can get away with that.
There we go.
We're going to set up the spline jig and Andrew can cut the splines. And we're going to use US maple, same as the top of the splines, but they'll match, they'll stand out against the blackwood. Right, Andrew's just got the spline jig all ready now and cutting the splines. He's a lot more confident today than what he was yesterday. You're going well, He's taking all my instructions very well. Where to hold his hands and what to do, and lifting the box out and putting the spline through the sander. The sander was down so we got a nice neat fit. Andrew putting the splines in. He's having fun doing it, aren't you, Andrew?
Of course.
Of course.
Simple.
Simples.
Easy.
Everything in woodwork is easy, isn't it?
It is.
It is when you know what you're doing.
Yeah. Exactly.
When you follow the steps. In woodwork it's all about the steps. Well, the boxes come out good. After you put these in, we'll build the trays to go on the inside. Okay, just pinning the trays together with my pin gun. Told him to hold his hand back a bit. Here I am routing the top, but that's a bit dangerous. So it's got a very elongated half round on there. Big cutter. And just taking it a bit at a time. Hey, we're back in the shed. Andrew's cut the splines and they're all ready to be sanded, but we've got to cut the box at an angle now. You see this box has got a slight angle. It's a 10-degree angle there, and I think it's a 16-degree angle at the bottom, I think. So what we have to do now, we have to run the router around the top of the inside, and then we'll cut the angle on it. And we'll do that now. Still enjoying the box making, Andrew?
Yeah, it's going good.
Going good?
Almost done, so.
We're almost done, yeah. We got a little bit more work to do, but we're getting there, aren't we?
We'll get there.
We'll get there, yeah. Yeah, so a lot more work than what you thought, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, there was, yeah.
There is, isn't
I
there?
thought there's less steps.
Yeah, less steps. There's always more steps.
Always more.
There's always more steps. Okay, guys, we'll run the router around the inside. We'll cut the angle now. Just running the half round cutter around the inside now, while I've still got a bit of meat on the top for the plate to rest against. And you're doing a good job doing that. Cutting the box at an angle. You can see how more confident he is now. Okay guys, we've cut the box to we've cut the box at an angle. Come up very, very tactile. Come up well. When we're sanding up the edges, and you also seen how I routed the lid. And now we've got to hinge the lid. Okay, Andrew's just drilling the for the lid and drilling for the plugs to cover the holes. Now he's spraying it up. He needs some more work on his spray job if I had to take over. That's okay. He's getting the gist of it. Look at that. Come on, great. Okay guys, we're finished. Look what Andrew made. What a great looking box. With a black interior and a black wood surround and a maple top and a jarrah handle. Come on, great, didn't it? For someone who's never made anything, Andrew made all this. He just followed my steps, but he made the bulk of this. So, how'd you go, Andrew? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good fun.
Good fun?
Yeah, it was good fun.
It was very easy to make without following my steps.
Yeah, it was pretty easy, especially with having all the tools and stuff around.
Yeah.
A lot easier.
Yep, so, mate, if Andrew can make a box, anybody can make a box. Is that right, Andrew?
It's true.
And did you have fun?
Yep.
You had fun in the shed?
It was fun in the shed.
Fun in the shed, alright. And today we got another 5 boxes in 3 minutes. So come on and have a look at these great boxes that I made. Box number 1 is a chaotic lid jewelry box. Look at that lid, guys. Made in a chaotic fashion. It's got a burgundy interior and a chaotic line going all the way around the box. This is one of my statement pieces boxes, guys. The chaotic lid came up great, didn't it? Look at that. Box number 2 is an Art Deco box with a back fan of maple and wenge. What a great looking box, guys. The interior box is to hold all your rings and earrings. It's got a Paduke inlay in both sides and it stands on its own platform. Have a look at that, guys. That's very elegant, isn't it? Very elegant. Box number 3 is a great looking box made of celery top pine and jarrah. Look at that, guys. It's got cross feet each end and a white interior. At the bottom to hold all your necklaces and the top to hold all your rings and earrings. Another great looking box, guys, look at that. It just pops. Box number 4 is another statement piece. I call it the X box. Got a wenge X going across the top. Box is made of maple with 3 drawers. Look at that, guys. It's another one of my boxes that just, can I say the word again? It pops. It pops big time. All rounded edges, all flush trimmed. What a great looking box, guys. Box number 5 is a pretty little box. It's made of senna, which is a very figured timber. But the insides are just made of my plainest timber. Just pine with a white interior. So I've got the 2 extremes in this box. And a great looking handle on top. Just a pretty little box, guys. Got little feet on the bottom. It's set to impress. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my channel where I make a lot of different boxes just like these. I make one a week. Check it out, guys. See you in the next episode where we'll be making another box.